There's more ground to cover online than your clients may think. Expanding advertising horizons is not only beneficial for their business, but proves your management of PPC ads worthwhile. Stop scratching your head trying to figure out ways to grow your ad spend portfolio and start offering the diverse audience that Microsoft Ads has. Here are reasons why you should stop shying away from offering Microsoft Ads to your clients. Microsoft Ads presence in the digital market. Let me put Microsoft's reach into perspective for you. Microsoft Search Network has over 200 million Windows 10 users, from which 45.4 million searches are those inaccessible through Google. The mechanics of Microsoft Ads are very similar to those of competing advertising platforms. Although it has significantly lower market share, you cannot ignore its competitive figures. You heard right. With a cost per click 33% cheaper than Google's, it's a no-brainer why it's an excellent asset to supplement a digital marketing strategy. Is Microsoft advertising worth it for your client's PPC strategy? Many businesses, especially new ones and those trying to thrive in a highly competitive market, are wondering whether or not they should pay for ads on search engines like Microsoft. While it has a broader market coverage, Microsoft Ads offers many benefits, even for small-scale opportunities. Remember that this search engine is preferred by almost 200 million people worldwide. That's 11% of the world your client's business is not targeting. If this still hasn't jolted your motivation to upsell Microsoft Ads, I know these 5 benefits will. Number 1, lower CPC and less competition. Less competition means more opportunities to rank higher on the search engine results page, likely resulting in a higher CTR. And if we compare it with Google, the CPCs for keywords are much lower, 30 to 40% to be exact. While this will differ per industry, it's an excellent opportunity to access more traffic for the dollar, translating into capture of more traffic with the same ad spend, and more importantly, the qualified leads you eagerly seek for your client's business. Number 2, easy to set up. Microsoft is putting a lot of effort into making accounts easy to set up when it comes to importing or uploading campaigns from other advertising platforms to save the time you would otherwise spend configuring them. So, if you're already using Google or Facebook ads, you can quickly or seamlessly import your campaigns into Microsoft to expand your reach and bring new customers to your website in no time. Number 3, higher buying power and intent. Tap into audiences that want and have money to spend. Most people who utilize Microsoft and its syndicated partners are over 35 years old and have a household income greater than $100,000 per year. And that's not all. Microsoft Desktop users spend around 35% more shopping online than your average shopper on the search engines. Number 4, engaging audiences. If your clients are in the B2B industry, Microsoft Advertising is the only digital advertising platform that offers LinkedIn profile targeting. Yes, you may have been missing this critical piece in your upselling strategy. You can target users based on their job position, on their industry, and specific companies they work for to reach ideal customers. The Microsoft Audience Network for your client's business helps it reach millions of unique monthly visitors across MSN, Outlook.com, and Microsoft Edge browsers. By selecting high-quality partner sites, you can offer convenience and power from a unified platform with Microsoft Ads, building on search results intelligence to drive higher ROI. Number 5, control the demographics. Another significant advantage of Microsoft Ads is the complete control of the demographics you need to target. At the campaign level, locations can be selected where you need ads to appear. We can even specify as a granular as radius around a city or a zip code. Talking about demographics, studies show that the search engines used by Microsoft Advertising appeal to a more mature and affluent audience, within which 54% of that audience have an annual average income of $75,000 or more. Takeaways. Investing in a supplement and advertising avenues is a smart strategy with which you can increase the visibility of a business and, consequently, improve sales. It even allows small businesses a good chance of obtaining a place among competitors and unique, undiscovered audiences. Microsoft Advertising is an excellent alternative to expand ads reach and increase the volume and quality of conversions. This paid advertising platform is increasingly present in marketing strategies due to its ease of use, low competition, and positive results. Find this video helpful? Keep on learning more and subscribe to our channel. It's the red button down there. And don't forget to activate the notifications bell. See you for the next one.